Welcome. If you're looking to disable the LaunchPad tab in Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you find LaunchPad distracting or just want a cleaner interface, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn it off. No confusion, no hassle. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom right corner for your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll find a bunch of options, but what we're looking for is Advanced. Tap on Advanced to open up some more detailed features and settings. In the Advanced menu, you'll see a section called LaunchPad. This is the feature that adds the LaunchPad tab to your Discord interface, giving you quick access to certain tools and features. But if you don't use it, or just want it gone, you can easily disable it right here. Simply tap on the LaunchPad section, and you'll see a couple of options. Choose Disabled. That's it. As soon as you select Disabled, the LaunchPad tab will disappear from your Discord app, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined look. Let's quickly recap the steps. 1. Open Discord on your mobile device. 2. Tap your profile icon to go to User Settings. 3. Scroll down and select Advanced. 4. Under the LaunchPad section, choose Disabled. And you're done. Your Discord mobile app should now be free of the LaunchPad tab. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back and enable it again using the same steps. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.